हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दावनगिरी यूनिवर्सिटी एमकॉम पीजी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम पेपर 2016. I also made a video on 2017, 2018 and 2015 paper. If you have not seen the video, I have put the link in the description as well as in the I button. So without wasting much time, let's go to the remaining 25 questions of 2016 paper. When the interest is divided by the bond for value, it is called as return on investment, no; redemption rate, no; coupon rate, yes. So option number C is the correct answer for this question. Debt equity ratio is a profitability ratio, leverage ratio, liquidity ratio, activity ratio. So correct option is option number B, that is leverage ratio. It is also called as long term solvency ratio. Profitability ratio includes gross profit ratio, net profit ratio and all. Liquidity ratio includes current ratio, asset ratio, absolute liquid ratio, etc. Activity ratio includes turnover ratios like debtors turnover ratio, creditors turnover ratio, working capital turnover ratio, etc. While deciding between alternative course of action in management accounting, the criterion should be to select that project which yields more profit, more sales, more revenue, more contribution. So correct option for this is option number D, that is more contribution. Dash is a financial service for financing credit sales in which receivables are sold by a company to a specialized financial intermediary. Leasing, portfolio management, venture capital, factoring. So correct option is option number D, that is factoring. It is a short-term service. Estimating the consequences of alternative action while making a decision is referred to as different analysis, break-even analysis, CVP, that is cost volume profit analysis, financial statement analysis. So all these options are not correct. The answer should have been decision analysis, but I think it has been printed as different analysis. So this is again a question wherein you should get a grace mark for this question. When the assets are rupees 21,000 and liabilities are rupees 11,000, capital will be. So we know that assets are always equal to liabilities plus capital, right? So assets are 21,000 and liability we know that it is 11,000. Therefore capital will be 21,000 minus 11,000, which is going to give you answer as rupees 10,000. So option number C is the correct answer for this question. Trial balance reveals dash accuracy: arithmetic accuracy, numerical accuracy, neurological accuracy, chronological accuracy. So option number A, that is arithmetical accuracy, will be the right answer for this. Dash is a business activity involving transfer of money or money's worth. Transfer, transaction, financing, none of the above. So correct answer is option number B, transaction. Which of the following is a characteristic of the data? Aggregate of facts, correct. Affected by various causes, correct. Numerically expressed, this is also correct. So all of these are the correct characteristic of data. The nature of statistics is a science, art and science, and art, none of this. So statistics is always both art as well as science. The term mixed economy refers simultaneous existence of agriculture and industrial sector in the economy, a blend of capitalist and socialist creeds in the economic philosophy of the country, coexistence of private and public sector in the economy, use of traditional and modern technical know-how in the process of developing an economy. So correct option is option number C, that is in a mixed economy there will be both private sector and public sector contributing to the economy and running the economy. The most important function of RBI is exchange management control, credit control, financing commercial bank, providing agriculture finance. Now you have to find out the most important. All these are in one or the other way functions of RBI, but the most important function of RBI is option number B, that is credit control. I make a separate video on RBI. I am putting the link into the description as well as in the I button. Watch that video also. It is also equally important for the upcoming exam. Finance Commission is constituted every 6 years, 5 years, 4 years, 3 years. So it is constituted every 5 years. Indian Banking Act is known as Banking Companies Act, no. Banking Regulation Act, Indian Banking Regulation Act, Indian Research and Development Bank Act. So correct option is option number B, that is Banking Regulation Act of 1949. Minutes of meeting must be signed by chairman of the meeting, secretary of the company, chairman and secretary, each director attending the meeting. So always remember, minutes is signed by the chairman of the meeting. What is the quorum of general meeting in case of private company? 2, 3, 4, 5. So in case of private company, it is always equal to 2. Marketing decision covers promotion strategy, definitely yes. Distribution strategy, definitely yes. Pricing strategy, yes. So all these are the strategies which are covered under marketing decisions. Apart from this, product strategy is also covered. The World Bank is owned by RBI, private firms, member countries, USA. So it is owned by member countries. The World Bank is also called as IBRD, that is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, headquarters of which is in Washington, DC. Premium implies that foreign currency is expensive and has a high value than the forward rate, spot rate, interest rate, both A and B. So correct option is option number B, that is spot rate. If the spot rate is less and forward rate is more, then it is called as premium for the foreign currency. India is not a member of G15, it is a member. UNO, it is a member. Commonwealth also it is a member. But for ASEAN, India is not a member. ASEAN stands for Association of Southeast Asian Nations. The IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, is governed by its managing director, president and executive board of governors. So correct option is option number D, that is board of governors. IMF headquarters is in Washington DC and it is one of the most important institution and a twin of World Bank. A trial balance balances, what does it means? The total debit balance is equal to total credit balance. All the arithmetic in the ledger is correct. All transactions entered in the correct ledger accounts. All transactions are entered on the correct size of the ledger. So right option is option number A, that is total debit balance will be equal to total credit balance. Retailing includes all activity incident to selling to the ultimate agents, consumers, wholesalers, firms. So retailing is nothing but when you are selling it to the consumers, option number B. Full form of DSS is Data Structure Services, Data Security System, Data Secure Software, Decision Support System. So correct option is option number D, Decision Support System. The greater the elasticity of demand, the greater is incidence of tax on consumers, incidence of tax on products, incidence of tax on sellers, none of the above. So right option should be option number D, that is none of the above, because greater the elasticity of demand, the greater incidence of tax is on producers, but none of the option shows producers. So this is all about 2016 MCOM PGET paper. If you like the video, please hit a like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. If you have any queries, you can comment me in the comment box. And thank you for watching the video. Meet you again in another video.